from Langjue Mode. Today I will show you around our injection molding factory. So follow with me. So first of all, you will see there are a lot of injection molds here. Some of them are very big size and also have some small molds. And our factory have 10 injection machines. Here are some raw materials, and you will see I will show you some injection molding procedures here. So the machine are on the proceeding now. So wait a moment. Now the pushing out pins and pushing out blocks will push the products, and the products will falling down. And then one more time. Will take some minutes. But injection molding method is a high production capacity method. Sometimes for large orders and with high MOQ. But injection molding, unit price will be very cheaper than other productions. So one more time again. The white color parts is the final parts. So the pins, pour out the parts. This is one cavity mold. And this is the fixture tools. Some of the parts will easily get out of deformed, and we will use the fixture tools to make it with the high match the high precisions. So except that this kinds of machines, we also have double shot injection machines. So this is our double shot injection machine, and you will see we have the robots. Come with me. Here. Come here. So you will see the robot is get the products out automatically. This is double shot machines. It can make two colors product at the same time. Also, it can make two different kinds of materials at the same time. And also, this is two cavity molds. You will see the mold core has two cavities. One more again. Two cavities, mold core, mold base. Pin, the injection pin, pour out the products, and the robot get the products out automatically. Also over there, you will see that is the fitting machine. We add the raw material from here, and then go through the fitting machines. The raw material will be melted and then be liquid and injected into the molds. And after heating, the product will be solid, and then we can get the final products. So our biggest machine is 1,600 tons. It can make the 10,000 kilogram products. So no need to worry about the size, no need to worry about whether we can do it. Just send inquiry to us, then it's okay. All of these are our injection mold machines. This is the PP raw material. And over there is the final products, but I cannot show you too close. And I wanted to show you some raw material of ABS. Some of the here. So this is the ABS raw material. It's white color. If you want to be colored, we can add a colored material. Then every color we can make different colors. Only you send us candle code. So everyone, this is our injection mold factories. If you're interested in any plastic parts, then inquire to us. This is Eagle. Thank you. Bye bye.